I just need to take a selfie.
Hello. Hi. Today we were on a photo shoot at some random trail that we don't even know.
Wait.
Like
It's called Wolf Gap. Wolf Gap. That's the name.
somewhere south of Jacksonville, Oregon, somewhere random. So you can't find us.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Hello, world. Just kidding.
These are the models. They're really super excited.
And come. He's super excited.
Someone a little.
Oh, you're the one petting her. Can't vouch for her because she's still in school. Are we doing the vlog?
This is the vlog.
Okay.
So we were trying to get like the mountain views,
she
but
graduated.
that was the trail we were trying to take pictures on.
troll.
It had a beautiful view in the background though, so we made it work.
Oh my God.
I didn't see anything. If I did, I'll edit it out.
Okay, I wasn't paying
Wait, you're wearing pants.
I don't really talk that
I was
much.
just
I'm really
screaming.
shy. I don't say much.
Wait. I'm not camera shy.
I just made her get on this rock. State your Instagram.
Skyrose 95. And there's a dot between each word. Pixie Lizzie. Oh my God. I forgot what it was.
All right, get it, girl. The lighting's really bad, but that's okay.
It is. But Photoshop.
Okay,
It's the-
smile.
Hi.
It's
Okay,
the
smile.
skirt is so dark, it just blends in with the rock. Oh, it
I'm gonna
does.
stand on this rock that's gonna fall, okay?
Stand on this rock that's gonna fall, okay?
Oh, here, have a daredevil picture. I got this one set.
Oh gosh, please be careful.
Please be careful.
I almost died. I was backing up and I was going the wrong way.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I don't want this rock to break.
I'm sorry, but my life flashed before my eyes.
Oh, no, you're good.
No, go hang out like sideways with your like pull out on the skirt. And you started this pose idea. Now let go of the skirt. Oh, your arm was just straight out.
Well, here, I did it again. I'm sorry. Okay, I've got it.
Do they
this
look
time.
good? It kind of looks cool even though her hair like.
Oh,
got in
I
her face.
love it.
But like the position of.
I'm gonna make this really artsy.
You can't really
that
see
one,
it.
yeah. So we found this spot right here.
That's
So we're gonna take pics.
I try to get some photographers to do pictures like that.
Here, I'll scoot over.
They never get flat on the ground though, and I'm always like, can you get down, please?
You didn't get out of her shot.
Her shot?
Yeah.
I thought she was sharing this one. No, I'm just kidding.
Here, wait. Can I get
You
like
need a, here.
in it?
Yeah.
Switch. I just don't want that in front of her face. That's true. Here, wait. I'm not gonna wear one. I'm not gonna wear one.
Okay, here. She's gonna flip her hair around.
I'll flip my hair.
Don't do that. Your hair's different. Your hair's short. Do this. Do the hair flip.
I just need to take a selfie.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh my Lanta! I just realized this thing's still recording. One second.